Hi guys! Today we're crafting another garland design. It's simple, pretty, and made with satin ribbon. We're using 5 cm wide and 13 cm long satin ribbon and we'll need 12 pieces in total. First, let's heat seal the ribbon ends to prevent them from fraying. Now we're ready to make our petals and make sure your glue gun is hot and ready to go. This is our first petal. Now let's make the rest. Now that all petals are ready, let's start gluing them together. For our base, we'll be using a round felt fabric. This will be my centerpiece, but you can customize yours to match your theme or any special event. Next, let's attach the necklace using satin ribbon that's 3.8 cm wide and 105 cm long. We'll mark about 10 cm for the tail. Shape the ribbon ends into a V shape. And heat seal. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!
At DJ Baltic, dreams come true. So join the